mainly two ways in which leaders who coach use their coaching skills in the workplace. The first one is a more structured and formalized process in which they might engage with a colleague who's, for example, taking on a new project or who wants to improve their performance in a given area. And the leader who coaches will support them in this endeavor by meeting with them on a regular basis for a few times to set goals, to see what is required to achieve these goals, to help them monitor progress, and to take stock of the change that has taken place further to the coaching. The other way that leaders who coach may use their coaching skills is in a more spontaneous fashion. It requires asking open-ended questions. It requires having a conversation style that is more oriented towards inquiry than advice or direction. Now, this doesn't always come easy. There are studies that show that managers and leaders who have been trained in coaching skills then go back to the workplace and find it difficult to capture those moments when a coaching question may have been useful. Conversations amongst colleagues happen very quickly, and you might miss the opportunity without even realizing it. In my next video, I'll talk about how to actually put ask rather than tell into practice in these spontaneous impromptu situations.